Have you ever noticed that some people suddenly seem completely different? They become more confident, more disciplined, more peaceful, and everyone around them thinks, what happened to them? But the truth is, the transformation usually didn't happen suddenly. It happened quietly, behind closed doors, through hundreds of small decisions that nobody noticed. Today, let's look at 5 psychological patterns behind people who transform their lives without announcing it. Number 1. They stop seeking approval. When people constantly tell others about their goals, they can become dependent on external validation. They want people to notice their progress. But quiet transformation works differently. You stop asking, "What will people think of me?" and start asking, "Am I becoming the person I want to be?" That shift is powerful, because when your motivation comes from within, you don't need applause to keep going. Number 2. They protect their new identity. When you're trying to change, your new identity is fragile. Maybe you're becoming more disciplined, more confident, more focused. If you immediately tell everyone about it, their opinions can influence you. Someone might laugh at your goals. Someone might say, "You'll never stick with it." So sometimes, privacy protects progress. You don't have to explain every change you're making. Give your new habits time to become part of who you are. Number 3. They choose action over announcement. There's a big difference between talking about change and actually changing. Saying, "I'm going to become successful," feels good. But waking up early, learning a skill, exercising, studying, or working when nobody is watching, that's transformation. So instead of announcing your next move, make the move. Let your actions speak louder than your plans. Number 4. They become more selective about who gets access to their journey. Not everyone needs to know what you're struggling with. Not everyone deserves access to your plans. This doesn't mean becoming secretive or isolated. It means creating healthy boundaries. Share your journey with people who genuinely support your growth. And remember, protecting your peace is not selfish. Sometimes, the best environment for growth is one where you don't constantly have to defend your decisions. Number 5. They let results introduce the new version of them. One of the most powerful things about quiet transformation is that eventually, you don't need to explain yourself. Your behavior explains you. Your confidence explains you. Your discipline explains you. Your results explain you. People may say, "You've changed." And they're right. But they didn't see the early mornings. They didn't see the failures. They didn't see the moments when you wanted to quit, but continued anyway. They only saw the final result. And that's why transformation often looks sudden from the outside. But from the inside, it was happening one small decision at a time. So if you're rebuilding your life right now, remember this. You don't have to announce every goal. You don't need everyone's approval. And you don't need to prove that you're changing. Work quietly. Build consistently. Protect your peace. And one day, your results will tell the story for you. Because real transformation doesn't always make noise. Sometimes, it simply becomes impossible to ignore.